Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be making icing sugar, and to make this you just don't need much. You only need three things, and that is your sugar, your white sugar, your cornstarch, and your blending machine. Yes. So in there I have a cup of white sugar which I'm adding into the blending machine, and I have 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. So for a cup of white sugar, you need just a tablespoon of cornstarch. For 2 cups of white sugar, you need 2 tablespoons. So you may be asking, why do we need to add cornstarch? So the purpose of adding the cornstarch is to prevent your finely grained white sugar from caking. Yes, that is the purpose of it. And it also helps you whenever you add water into it, in case you want to do some glazing, some icing. It aids your work, you understand, makes it easier for you to work with. So that is it. That's the purpose of adding the cornstarch, to prevent it from caking and aid you in icing, doing your icing of cake and all of that. So that's it. So right now I'm done with blending it. It's so smooth and finely grained. Just look at that. It's so good now. So what I'm going to do next is to pour it out of that blender into a bowl, and then I'm going to add in the cornstarch, and then I will be giving it a very good mix, and our icing sugar will be fully ready. It's so simple to make, very handy in case you bake a lot and you love to do some icing of cake. This is a very good way for you to spend less, make do of what you have and know what you got inside it and all of that. So if you are a lover of you love some aromas, okay, you love some scents, some flavors, you can choose to add vanilla extract into this, the powdered white vanilla, and the taste will be, you love the flavor, okay, you will love it when you sprinkle it on your baked stuff and all of that. It's another good way. And if you are the type who prefers to also use this for any other thing, you can as well add your cinnamon to it. Is also very good, you understand, or anything that can give you that flavoring, that scent is so good. So that's just it. Our icing sugar is fully ready, very simple to make. So I've just added in the cornstarch and I'm just giving it a mix, and it's fully ready. There you have it. So I'm just adding it into that place just for you guys to see. There it is fully ready. So you can just store this into your container, any tight container, and keep it in your pantries, and it's ready for you to use anytime you want it. So there you have it. It is so ready. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I truly appreciate you. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are so welcome. Thank you for coming. Please, if you love what you see on this channel, do not forget to support by subscribing. It is free. Click the subscribe button and turn on my notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be fully notified of it. Thank you everyone for watching. See you guys on my next one. Bye.